Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn functions in JavaScript. So functions in JavaScript are blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help us organize and reuse our code. So let us write our first function to greet users. Let us call our function. Let us call it greet users and pass in a parameter name console.log. Console.log hello plus name plus and let us call our function. John. So let me first run it before I explain more. Hello John. So the good thing about functions, they are reusable. Once defined, they can be called multiple times throughout our program, preventing you from writing the same code for multiple times. Now let us call our function with other more arguments. So greet user Ruth. Greet user Rina. Control save. Hello John, hello Ruth, hello Rina. So, okay, for you to understand this, let me show you the other method and you see why you should instead use functions. Imagine we are not using functions and we want to greet the users. That means, let me first comment out this. That means we first declare. We first have to declare our variables. Let name 1 equal to Ruth. Let name 2 equal to Rina. Yeah, I want to greet free users. Let name 3 equal to John. Console, you all can see that this is so tiresome. Hello. Yeah, it outputs out the same thing, but this method is so tiresome. Let me just copy and paste 3 times and change this to 1. Change this to 3, this to 2, and this to 1. Cool. So let me run it and you see. Hello Ruth, hello Rina, hello John. Yeah, it outputs out the same thing, but this method is like it is tiresome. It is so tiresome. Okay, imagine imagine you want to change something. Imagine you want to change something. That means that you have to go back and change each line. But when you use function, but when you use functions, you just change one code of line. But here you have to go back and change everything. And the good thing about the functions, they are reusable. And you just have to go on calling our functions. Go on calling our functions. Let me uncomment this. So imagine we want to greet another user. Imagine you want to greet another user. Here we just call our function greet user, the name you want. But on this other method, you have to first declare your variable, and then after you go ahead and console.log. So it is so tiresome. Here you just call your function and type in the name you want. That's why according to me, I prefer using functions. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let us meet in another video. Happy coding.